My name's Bremner, Head of Contracts at Smartroof. Today I'm going to talk to you about our pre-installation process, the checks we carry out before arriving on site. We do this to ensure that the plots are built in line with our drawings and that access for delivery vehicles and plant is suitable on the day. This allows us to carry out the works in a timely manner. All our installations are carried out using mobile cranes, so it's vital that we have a suitable lift area to set up the crane to carry out lifting operations. Access into the lift area is also important. This prevents hold-ups on the day. Up on the plot, we check the access scaffold to make sure it's safe and suitable for our guys to work on and that there are no clashes whilst installing the roof. We also check the dimensions against our approved drawings. This enables us to highlight any issues that may have occurred so we can raise this with the site team to be actioned before our arrival.